One series, 3 sizes, built to meet the demands of modern industry. The compact 10.1-inch display delivers clear visibility and precise touch control, even under bright conditions. The versatile 15.6-inch model provides real-time monitoring with a wide, consistent viewing experience. For maximum outdoor visibility, the 18.5-inch display remains vivid and readable in direct sunlight. DisplayPort and USB Type-C provide simple, flexible system integration. Precision OCA Optical Bonding reduces internal reflections and enhances image clarity, while responsive PCAP Touch enables fast, intuitive control. From compact equipment control and factory automation to outdoor transportation guidance, each display is purpose-built for its application. Built to fit, ready to perform. The LITEMAX IPPD-ADBO Series.